My video guide is about getting rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Updatefreecompletelytheproduct.vip. This is actually a fake Chrome update alert, so all these alerts are absolutely faulty and they are not related to the Google Chrome browser. So, if you ever see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them, don't trust them. Don't install any of such fake updates. If you actually install them, then your Google Chrome browser may be infected by adware type extensions, by browser hijacking extensions, and other malware. So we recommend you to just leave that page and not treat it seriously. We also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.